Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at 25 amazing computer vision projects you can build with Python. Don't worry, I'm not going to bore you with theory. I'll just give you ideas so cool that you will want to start coding right now. Okay. Yes, everybody in this room, especially the one who is sitting in the corner, stop dreaming about Instagram filters. Guess what? That's project number 1. Make your own Instagram style filters with OpenCV. Number 2, face recognition attendance system. Your webcam marks who came to class. No excuses. Even if you try to bunk, the camera will snitch. Number 3, virtual painter. Move your fingers in the air and boom, you are Picasso on your laptop screen. Coming to 4, real-time object measurement. Your webcam turns into a ruler. Just don't use it to measure your biceps, please. Number 5, hand gesture. Volume control. Raise your laptop to increase the sound, lower your hand to decrease it. Basically, become a DJ without touching anything. Coming to point number 6, number plate recognition. Isn't it sounds amazing? Perfect if you want to make a mini traffic project, but no, it won't cancel your traffic challan. 7, AI virtual mouse. Control your mouse pointer with your fingers. Goodbye, Logitech. 8, currency. Currency note detection. Check if your note is rupee 10, rupee 100 or rupee 500. Very handy if your friends try to trick you. Number 9, emotion detector. Your computer can now tell if you're happy, sad or secretly sleepy in class. 10, mask detection. The COVID classic but still useful in many public projects. And trust me, the list goes on. Coming to 11, it's barcode or QR smarter or scanner. 12, real-time object tracking. 13, Sudoku solve with OpenCV. Finger counter, virtual keyboard, deepfake face swap, traffic lane detection, pedestrian counter, smart mirror with face recognition, cartoonify your image, age and gender prediction, real-time background remover, sign language or you can say as translator, augmented reality filters, selfie caption with smile detection, and it goes on and on, etc, etc. Now tell me honestly, isn't this list cool that you're Netflix watching? You don't have to build all 25 today projects, but pick one, start small, and you will be amazed how much fun computer vision can be.